Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install an advanced Hud script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into a FiveM server. The script is from Izzy Store. I'll put the Apex Store's link in the description below. The script is completely free. You can get the script by clicking over here. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, then open the config.lua. From here you can customize the script according to your server. So over here I'll be changing the server's name from Easy Shop to Zexus Development, and rest of the things you can configure from here. Now open the NUI folder, images. Over here you can change the image of the logo according to your server. So I'll be keeping it default for now. So after doing everything, you just need to delete the old QBCore script from here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see all the features related to the HUD over here. As you can see over here, it is showing the server's name, the logo of the server, the player's ID, the player's name, and also it is showing how much money we have in the bank and cash. And in the bottom section you can see rest of the things. So to open the HUD's menu, you just need to type /HUD. So this is the menu of the HUD, as you can see over here. So you can do changes in the HUD according to your use. So this is the UI of the HUD. Now let's see the speedometer. So as you can see over here, this is the UI of the speedometer on the bottom right section, as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.